Advait was 8-9 months old when he first picked up the brush.
Hi, I'm Advait Kolarkar and I am a LITKID influencer. I am a professional artist, or you may call me a painter. My session is on how to start painting using your own imagination. Do you want to know when I started painting? I will take that as a yes. I just started painting when I was 8 months old. My first painting exhibition took place when I was 2 years old. My first international show happened around my 4th birthday. Followed by Art Expo New York. I was the youngest artist of their 40 years of history. I'm so grateful that I am known all around the world for my art. The universe is so amazing and colorful. I feel the oceans and the space magical. Even dinosaurs are alive. Wait, dinosaurs are alive? Imagine everything. Imagine. Everything gets alive in your imagination. You might ask, what can I do with this imagination? Well, express it. You may think how? Well, take as many colors as you want and express your ideas on canvas. That's what I do. When I travel to those beautiful countries, my experience was amazing. I met so many lovely people who encouraged me and supported me. I'm here to share with you 5 tips so you can be an artist like me and use your imagination to create an artwork. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1. Follow your own heart and imagine. Try not to get influenced by other people's instructions. You may like a particular style, or you may get inspired by an artist or their painting. That is fine for some inspiration. But it will be nice if you try to create something you really love and follow your own heart. Tip number 2. Choose your material. Take acrylic colors of your choice with different consistency. So you can apply light thick colors with brush and roller and liquid colors with bottle and other containers. First, you may choose a color for the background. Tip number 3. Paint the background. To make it simple, you can spread it with your hands and use a roller. I use so many tools to make a textured background. You may use any tool if you like. Tip number 4. Be spontaneous. Start pouring different paints spontaneously. Try to mix colors together and pour. I choose colors spontaneously and follow my intuition. Don't think too much about your colors and your style. Just be spontaneous. Tip number 5. Be free and enjoy. Freedom is the key to the great art. Lot of amazing ideas clicks when your mind is free. Be free. Be seriously free. If you keep worrying about which color to use, which tool to use, and you might waste color. That will pull your brain from expressing freely. So don't worry and give your best shot. You will definitely improve after some practice. If you really love and enjoy painting, you can't believe how happy you are. It's not important how good you are, but how much you enjoy and love it. Last but not least, always remember that you can do whatever you want and that's possible. I hope this video helped and inspired you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the LITKIDS channel. Please visit my website advaitkolarkar.com if you would like to see my journey. You can also see this link in the description box below.